today we are going through Warrior One alignment. From the top of your mat, keep your right foot forward and then big step back of your left foot. Make sure your back heel is on your mat and then your right knee bent. Hips alignment, draw your right hip back, left hip forwards. If that doesn't happen because tighten on the hips, walk your right foot slightly out. I like to turn my toes out and then bend the right knee. When you're ready, reach your arms to the sky. Pressing down to the outer edge of your left foot as you have your four corners of your foot, and also lift your left kneecap towards your hip. As your right hip goes back, feeling the stretch, the opening to the left side of your thigh. Your right knee, if it's slightly bent, you can go even more deeper as you feel pressing down through your four corners of your right foot, feeling your right thigh, top, back, and your right glutes. As you energize in your fingertips, reaching up towards your fingers, relaxing the shoulders as you broaden your shoulders blades, creating more space between your shoulders and your ears. Soften your ribs, navel in, and then enjoy.